In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Maps language. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch the language Google Maps uses on your computer so the interface, buttons, and place details appear in the language you prefer. This is especially helpful if you're learning a new language, traveling, or just want a more comfortable experience while navigating. First, open Google Maps on your PC. You can use any modern web browser. In the address bar, type the official Google Maps address and press Enter. Give the page a moment to load completely so all the controls are visible. If the map appears but some elements look minimized, that's fine. We'll open the main panel next. Next, click the menu icon. On desktop, this icon is usually in the top left corner of the screen and looks like three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon. If you already see a wide side panel open on the left, it means the menu is already expanded and you're ready to move on. If your window is very narrow, you may need to maximize it so the icon is easier to find. Now, in the menu, click Language. You'll find language listed among other options in the side panel. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the menu. It's often lower in the list. Depending on your current interface, you may also notice a small globe icon next to it. Clicking Language will open a list or panel showing available languages. Finally, select your language. Browse the list and click the language you want to use. As soon as you choose it, Google Maps will update the interface text, menu labels, and many on-screen prompts to your selected language. The change is usually instant, but if something looks out of place, give the page a second or two to refresh. This adjustment applies to Google Maps in your current browser, so it won't change your entire computer's language settings. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you accidentally choose the wrong language, just return to the menu, click Language again, and pick the correct one. If you can't find the language option, make sure the menu is fully expanded and try scrolling further. And if the page doesn't reflect the new language right away, a quick browser refresh often helps. That's all there is to it. You've opened Google Maps on your PC, click the menu icon, selected language, and pick the language you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy navigating in the language that works best for you.